Yes, we welcome you all for this Jan Kalyankari Yojana Prachar Prasar Abhiyan. Today we are going to see one of the important yojanas which has been made to develop the women folk in our rural areas. Friends, women folks are requiring to come with us for the developing the country. They need to walk along with us and take this company to the progress. Keeping in this mind, there are a lot of schemes from Women and Child Development Ministry which are existing. For one among them is self-help group. This group gives a strength, a sense of unity among the members, and they give a lot of help in becoming financially independent. Before going anything else, let us understand what is self-help group. When we say group is collective of members of who are in the same thought process and would like to have the same destiny. If they strategize to help themselves, then such group is called as self-help group. This self-help group is very strong in the rural sector. It gives financial independence and it also gives a moral support to the women folk around the village or the town. Now, how the self-help group is formed? It is again a like-minded people coming together to work on and support each other. Self-help group members are mostly from women folk because they are very skilled and they are very disciplined as far as financial transactions are concerned. Self-help group is more prevalent in villages rather than in your city areas. When we talk about self-help group, they all come together to solve their problem in a united way. We will see further as to how the self-help groups are formed. Now, usually when you want to develop a self-help group, you need to identify people who belong to the same community or who are having the same social and economical background and who are ready to work with you. You need to explain them the motto of their forming a group. You can take the help of the village elders or the senior people around you and convince them. You need to meet them regularly so that they develop a confidence on you and the subject what you are taking. Usually to form a self-help group, a very active group takes nearly 6 months because in this process, people will be coming and going because the mind frequency matching takes some time. So we need to identify the self-help group people and then we should hold the meeting along with the community members or their family members. Once you start meeting them, you can explain the benefits of self-help group. We will see what are the benefits in the future steps. You need to also educate them about forming the group, and this group does not ensure anybody giving any facility of loan or any favors, but they need to support each other and grow. Self-help group usually is limited to 6 to 20 members, but it should be within the 20 members. These groups need not have to be registered, but they need to maintain the records. We will see what are the records when we come to the record section. Here we should be from the same social and financial background because it helps them to gel better. If you have some people from the higher middle class, then probably the poor people in the locality may not have the say. So hence, this is more preferably for a similar social and financial background group. What are the functions of self-help group? All members are supposed to save some amount from their earnings or from their expenditures. These amount which are accumulated in the group are used to lend internally among the group, so that anybody is having a medical emergency, a marriage, or any other functions in their house, they can take the support of this fund and come out of that situation. These funds are very much best utilized during your medical emergencies also. When people are coming in groups and forming together, they are discussing, they also discuss a lot of internal problems. You can take this group help to do the counseling and solve many domestic problems which come across to the each individual. This self-help group can also take the benefit from the nationalized bank in a collective effort and to use that properly. How the group meetings are organized, it is the most important thing, because the group meetings are usually held weekly once or 15 days once or monthly once. Here each understands the other person's difficulty, and attendance is compulsory so that people are regularly meeting and are able to understand what is happening in the group and what they need to do. Membership register, minutes of the meeting, and account books. These are the three things which need to be maintained in the group by themselves. Bookkeeping always is a challenge. If you are able to train the people of the group, it becomes very easy. Otherwise, the people, the students or the NSS officers from the colleges, help can be taken to maintain the books. The book, all the registered books, account books should be written during the meeting only, and proper signature and attestation for all the minutes by all the members are compulsory. Whenever the procedure they have followed to pool the money or to collect the money need to be done, and an acknowledgement in the book should be taken. This becomes the passbook of each individual and also a consolidated passbook of the group. In minutes of the meeting, the proceedings of the meeting has to be recorded. The rules and regulations of the group has to be recorded, and names of the member and all the amounts should be recorded in this book. This book must be signed by each individual at the end of the page. This brings confidence and transparency in the book maintenance. Savings and loan register has to be separately maintained, which shows the savings of each member. Each member's passbook, when we are making it, the amount contributed by the member is recorded and thus it is signed. Details of loan repayments are also mentioned in that. The interest collected and the amount given out to the people are equally authorized by all the members. Friends, by doing this, the two objectives are achieved in this. The one major objective is of transparency, and the other major objective is of accountability. These two are the things which build trust, and with a trust, the self-help group becomes very strong and can achieve anything what they want. Self-help simple rules are there, which are neatly explained here. That is, there is a common agreement when they meet. That is the date and time and when they want to meet. If it is a weekly meeting, then they usually meet on Saturdays or Sundays during the time where they do not have any work, domestic work. Then they should have decided as to when the time is there and what is the penalty also that has to be decided initially when the group is formed, so that everybody feels the oneness of the group. Also, everybody should be in agreement with the amount which each and everybody can pool in on a weekly basis. This is most important because some of them can pool in a higher money, but however some cannot pool. But here the group, self-help group, must pool a uniform amount among all the members. It also takes a decision as to how the loan will be given from the self-help group account, and what are the things, the interest part which the person has to pay is also recorded, and this is signed by all the members of the group. Now, this self-help group can be linked with the bank to get the benefits. Reserve Bank of India has issued instructions to all the commercial bank, regional bank, and also agriculture bank to provide support of opening as an account for both registered and unregistered self-help groups. As I earlier told, there is no requirement for the self-help group to be registered. Self-help group can be registered by submitting some documents. The documents are the entire group member should give a undertaking that they are interested to open the account in that particular bank, and the account should be made operational by minimum 3 members, 2 being the operating account persons. The 3 persons are there. In case 1 person is not there, the 3rd person will be signing authority. So 3 persons are minimum required to be authorized by the group, and the undertaking for this also is to be given. There should be a resolution which should be passed as to, for all these things, as to how the bank account will be operated by the group. Any assistance which the bank gives does not give in any individual's name. The bank gives the whole amount to the group, self-help group name, and to that account. They need to take it out from the account and use it judiciously among them. Since it is a collective decision taken by the group, they will be bound to repay the money back to the banks. There are many schemes under Mudra Yojana through which these self-help groups can take the benefit. Now, deciding factor for the bank to give the financial assistance is on the savings which the bank has, which the group has given to the bank. This will be sometimes 4 times what the savings the group has made. Now, when we say savings, what is the saving? Is it the deposit which is kept in the bank? No, it is not only the deposit which is kept in the bank, it is also the cash in hand which the authorized person is carrying, and it is also among the money interest whatever is collected and given on behalf of the group among the group members. The whole amount is considered as the financial asset of the self-help group, and based on that, nearly 4 times the amount will be given as a loan. These loans usually women folk take at a time and use to buy any machineries or any household articles, or can use for their medical assistance. Most of the women folk used to buy cattle and take the milk and put that milk to the dairy and start earning the money. So this is how the women folks do the money rotation and take the collective help and repay the money. Again, the loans can be generated by self-help group for the various purposes to its members. Like I told, it can be for medical, it can be for a festival, it can be for a function in the house, it can be for buying cattle, it can be for starting a small group industry, handmade things can be made. So for all these things, the bank will give support. There is no collateral for this money. The government itself has given the directions that there should not be any collateral taken for the money given to the self-help groups. Once the amount is dispersed, the money is pooled in every cycle whenever they have decided, and it is credited to the loan account. Thereby the loan gets reduced and the benefit is taken by individuals. As I told you, there is no collateral and there is no other charges which need to be paid. The rate of interest which the bank charges is the lowest. Sometimes the state governments gives a benefit of only the return of principal, and they do not have also ask for the interest on the principal given. The lowest interest rate is 1 to 2% per annum for the loan which the self-help groups take. However, when the loan is dispersed through the collection which they make among themselves, are given at a higher rate of interest, which vary from 2 to 3 rupees per 100 for the loans which are collected from their internal generations. Hence, this works out as a financial support for the rural women. Now, we need to promote these kind of self-help groups. We can effectively link all the self-help groups to the best banks or the local banks. You can link it to the agriculture banks, which will get benefit. You can also contact your NABARD office in the state and connect them and get them all the required assistance. You can also promote the self-help group in your social media account, and you can ask their produce to be displayed in eHath and get them the global market. Friends, as a Prasar Prachar Abhiyan, we can also assist them in getting the machinery set up to make paper plates and paper cups, which are now an alternative for plastic. We can help them set up the machineries to the group, and we can ask them collectively to work in that particular region, and we can see that we are taking that produce and we are able to market from the Abhiyan side. We can also develop many other products like agarbattis, pickle, papad, and many other things, small food items which can have a shelf life, can be produced by them and can be marketed. Friends, this is a very beautiful scheme for the rural people, and I request all of you to take the best help from this group and create as many as self-help groups in your locality or in your village, and help them prosper and make them become financially independent. Yes, sir. Any other doubts?
There is one question already posted on the group asking that can they directly visit NABARD?
Directly visit NABARD. Yes, self-help groups can directly visit NABARD and they will be provided with all the benefits for that. However, self-help group formation, as I told you, it takes 6 months to get established. You need to get yourself established, and once you have established and you have sufficient internal transaction happening, that you are going to pool the money, you are going to share the burden, you are going to share the money with your members, until that happens and that records are there. If you are doing all this, complying to this, definitely any bank in your local area will be forced to support you.
And one more question is like, what are the banks are there which helps this self-help groups like?
Self-help group can be supported by all the nationalized, urban, rural, agriculture banks. All the banks are supposed to help the self-help group at a very, very minimal interest rates. This has been notified by the Reserve Bank of India in this regard.
Okay. So members, those who are watching live, if you have any questions, you can post it in the comment and we'll answer.
सर
Yeah.
सर
जी
हमारे जो शशि देशपांडे जी हैं
जी
सर, वो पूछ रहे हैं कि कैन वी डायरेक्टली विजिट नाबार्ड और थ्रू सम सिस्टम और सम लाइक दैट, कैन वी डायरेक्टली विजिट नाबार्ड?
Can we meet individual person?
Yes sir, individual person, yes.
No, this you can visit, but you will have to go if you want to get a benefit under self-help group. You need to have a group, and you need to have some transaction in the group so that there is some transparency and accountability in the group. Based on that, only you can visit. Otherwise, simply visiting the thing would not be yielding any results.
ओके, थैंक यू चंद्रशेखर जी, थैंक यू सो मच
Thank
जी।
you.
हमारे मेघालय से मधु छेड़ा जी हैं, मेघालय से हमारे पीएमजे के वाईपीपी के बहुत कर्मठ कार्यकर्ता हैं। वो पूछ रहे हैं सर जी, कैन वी गॉट एनी फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट फ्रॉम आवर प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट फॉर आवर प्रचार प्रसार मूवमेंट व्हेन एवर कंडक्टेड? इफ feasible, please suggest how to approach.
Sir, for this Prachar Prasar Abhiyan, our national leader has given us a very, very big suggestion, and he has conducted a 1.5 hour session wherein how we can generate not only employment but also revenue for the group. I think that would be the much better, because we are a social organization and we are not somewhere that we can get a benefit from the government. We need to serve and we need to ensure that the groups earn and we get the benefit from that.
सर, अगर पीपीटी का जरूरत नहीं है तो आप उसको स्टॉप करके, क्योंकि इंटरेक्शन के टाइम पीपीटी रहेगा तो वो इंटरेक्शन में ये नहीं होगा।
Yes sir, I have done that. I have done that.
Yes sir, yes sir. Thank you so much. हमारे और एक व्यूअर है सर, चौकीदार संदीप सिंगोड़ी जी, अपने रायचूर के प्रेसिडेंट हैं।
नमस्कार।
What type? नमस्ते सर। What type of project details we have to show them to NABARD?
NABARD के लिए whatever is that you need to show your minutes of the meeting book, you need to show your accounts book, you need to show your undertaking, and you need to show your memorandum of understanding of the members duly signed by every member of the self-help group. Because it is only small members, it could not exceed 20, hence everybody's consent is required for that.
Thank you so much sir. Sir, कुशल सर, आपके पास कोई questions हैं तो?
Yeah, so one question again I want to ask you is like now say example women's have formed few self-help groups or men's, so how it would differ and what kind of projects I'm talking about, like what are the things they can do in a self-help group? Maybe you can again brief it a little bit so that it will get more clarity over it. Like,
yes, for this I would like to give you an example. I have a very close friend who in his village has got nearly 10 groups, different groups in his village, all women folk, and they have 10 different groups. Of them, the 3 are registered and the other 7 are unregistered. So what happens, most of these groups in that particular village are only working towards the financial independence. They are collecting the money among themselves, they are rotating the money and making the group grow financially. Whenever they need some assistance, they take from the bank. And usually most of the women folks, as I told you earlier, they would like to invest on cattle and stock so that they can increase their income over a period of time. So they buy the cow, they take the milk and put it in the Nandini milk collection center. Hence, they keep getting the recurring money, which will be useful to return to the bank. So This is the one thing which most of them are doing. Also, I have told you very clearly that if we can promote any group, then we can get the machineries for putting this paper manufacturing of paper cups, plates to them, show them how to operate, train them, and among them they can do it, and the produce can be sourced from them, and through the Yojana we can sell it. So these are the things. Any kind of machineries, you can support them to put, but you need to train them for in operation of the machines. Hence, any project can be taken up in self-help group.
And what are the different types of food products they can do? Like,
Any food product having a vast bandwidth of shelf life, like masala powders, chili powders, they can make pickle, they can make papad, they can make agarbattis, they can make any puja items, even they can make handicraft items, Champatna dolls, which is very famous. The small machines can be implemented in a village and they can start making that and they can be trading. It's all needs that they need to be made independent financially, because a man or a woman who is independent financially is able to make contribution to the progress of the nation.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर. कुशाल सर, अगर आप परमिट करेंगे तो एक क्वेश्चन हमारे व्यूअर से और हैं.
sure.
वेंकटेश, मिस्टर वेंकटेश is asking, sir ji, here many women in our district working but totally unaware of it. Even many visits, nothing happens. Can we get details? What is the criteria for self-help group?
Yes, very true. Mr. Venkatesh ji, thanks. It's a very beautiful question. As I told you very in the beginning, that this is a group which will be formed, solidified on two basic things. One is the transparency and the trust. It is also very mandatory that you should have people from the same social and economical background, because they will be able to gel among themselves together. Why women folks are not able to do it means we need to show the results. We need to show the development which other groups have made. You can take 2-3 women member along with you to other groups and show them how they are operating. Self-help group is almost all everywhere, but people are not aware how to maximize their benefits from this scheme.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, Kushal sir.
Yeah, there is one question by Shankar. One second, I'm just tell you. That is by Srinivas Kulkarni asking, is it possible to get a rice mill or flour machinery under this scheme from NABARD?
Actually, the NABARD will give a amount to the group. The group in their unity, in their thinking, in their meeting, they can put that money to an individual person and he can put it in directly. So nothing can be given either from the banking sector or any other financial sector to that individual. All benefits or all the amount will be credited to the self-help group account only.
Or if they want to take up individually, then they can go for a mudra loan. That is the simple answer.
Yeah. Only one person wants to do that, then he can go for mudra loan. But we are concentrating now on a development scheme which is helping the women in 3 ways. That is, they are making it financially independent, they are building confidence among each other, and most of the problems, family problems, can be discussed and diffused in that meeting. A moral booster for the women folk can be seen with such group working.
Sir, Kushal sir.
Yeah. So we have
हमारे कर्नाटक प्रदेश के संगठन महामंत्री श्री दिनेश हार्दिक पटेल जी के मन में एक सवाल है कि सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप चलाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को क्या रिकॉर्ड्स हमको गवर्नमेंट के लिए क्या रिकॉर्ड्स हमको रखने पड़ेंगे?
कोई रिकॉर्ड रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। यहाँ तक कि अगर 20 आदमियों के कम है, आप अपने आप एक ग्रुप फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, उसको रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए भी जरूरत नहीं है। You can or may not register that group. You can form the group. However, the 3 documents, minutes of the meeting, the financial transaction, and the agreement of forming a group is very much essential.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Essential not only for the government thing, but also to bring transparency and confidence among the group members.
थैंक यू सर। सर कुशल सर, चंद्रशेखर सर, हमारे साथ में हमारे राष्ट्रीय आईटी सेल के सलाहकार श्री विशाल नेगी जी भी जुड़े हुए हैं।
Okay.
वो बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, आज का कार्यक्रम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है। और हमारे साथ में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जन कल्याणकारी योजना प्रचार प्रसार अभियान के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री पुष्पेश आर्य जी, राष्ट्रीय संगठन महामंत्री श्री शशांक जी चोपड़ा जी भी जुड़े हुए हैं। और 1000 से ज्यादा लोग इसको मैं देख पा रहा हूँ, जैसे कि 1000 से ज्यादा लोग इसको लाइव देख रहे हैं सर अभी। जी कुशाल सर, आपकी तरफ से कोई क्वेश्चन?
थैंक यू सबको लाइव आने के लिए, और जो हमने इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, वॉट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड ऑन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. So we are going to do every week one event which we are going to get into the more depth of the stream. If you have still more question about self-help group and all those information, if you have any questions, so as you are seeing the Facebook live, just put the comment there and we will get back to you directly on your personal page, or I will come through a messenger and connect you, and we'll give you all the information required for getting self-help details if required. And we also have shared in our screenshot the mail IDs. So I want Chandrasekhar to please show the screen so that you can make a note of the email ID where you can send a mail to us in case if you don't want to post it on the Facebook comment. And
सर एक क्वेश्चन और आया हमारे पास।
okay.
हमारे संदीप चौकीदार संदीप सिंगनोड़ी जी जो रायचूर से हैं। Uday Kiran from Raichur started Millets Organic, given employment and on COVID DC assured to take it on COVID patient, even though it is let them 10 rupees, but in their menu produced list but not taking it. So, आपका क्या इसके बारे में कहना है सर?
I am extremely sorry. Could you please repeat it?
Yes, I will repeat, sir. Sir, he is saying, Mr. Sandeep is saying that Uday Kiran, one person from Raichur, started Millets Organic. Okay, given employment and on COVID DC, assured to take it on COVID patients, even though it is less than 10 rupees, but in their menu produce list, but not taking it. Shayad, I think it's not clear.
Yeah, it's not relevant also the question. Actually, what he is talking about is the DC of the district who has promised, saying that, okay, whatever millet they produce will be taken by them. See, that comes, they have to directly deal with that, speak to either the authority, whoever they are dealing with, okay, personal level, or they can reach out because they have produced the millet only exclusive for the COVID patient. They are thinking that it will be included in their food. But today's question is all about self-help group, so it is not about the particular.
Not relevant for this, yes.
Going to, yeah.
Yeah, he had employed 18 women. Very nice, very nice, very good, sir.
Yeah. Can I add to this?
Can
I add to this? Yes. He has employed 18 women to produce the millets, but unfortunately, this he has produced under his banner. The women's self-help group, 18 members, did not come together to produce it. Hence, it cannot be considered as a self-help group. So, I think he needs to get this problem addressed at a different level.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
सर हमारे साथ में हमारे कर्नाटक प्रदेश अध्यक्ष श्रीमती अमिता रानी पांडे जी भी उपस्थित हैं, और हमारे भरत कुमार जी पालरेचा जैन जो कि हमारे कर्नाटक प्रदेश महामंत्री हैं, और श्री चित्तासना जी वो भी हमारे साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं। काफी मेंबर्स आज जुड़े हुए हैं सर। Very good.
Thank you everyone for joining. Yeah, it's our honor and privilege presenting our Facebook Live and about self-help group to all your dignitaries. So thank you everyone for joining us today. So let's bring up the slide, Chandrasekhar ji. You are able to share?
Yeah. 2 minutes.
Okay, so you can see here the our Facebook page, National PMJKYPPA, and Twitter account, and email ID is pmjkyppaindia@gmail.com. So you can send us a mail if you have any questions related to us. So this is our team, national team. We want to thank each and everyone who have been part of us and who has also supported us and guided us to provide all this information to you. So we would like to thank the national team. Thank you. And then next slide. So we have this is our national Karnataka state team. Srimati Amita Rani Pandey ji, state president, and our national president Sri Pushesh Arya ji. So all the team dignitaries are there. So we just want to show the slide so that everyone can get connected. Thank you. And the last slide. So we are the trainers. So myself, Kushalji, I'm the state trainer of Karnataka PMJKYPPA, and Chandrasekhar, our associated trainer who has presented today the self-help group scheme, and Rajesh Rod, our associate trainer as well. So we would like to thank you each and everyone. Maybe you can put down the screen, I think. Chandrasekhar ji. Yeah.
Sir, Kushal sir,
Yes.
one of our viewer, Rajendra Kumar asked, he's telling that today's session was very excellent and informative. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
All
you.
these comments makes us to take to the next level as well and bring out with more and more information. So we are planning to have every week, that is every Friday 6 p.m. one scheme, so that each scheme will be different than what we are saying, so that it would we can reach out, because we have 990 plus schemes. So to bring out all this information, it would be live, and it will, if you have any questions for that particular scheme, you can ask us. So we'll be bringing out what scheme we are going on next Friday. You will get to know on Monday. So thank you for joining today, and it's really honor and privilege presenting you today. I would like to thank our associate trainer, Mr. Chandrasekhar, for giving his time and also giving insight, complete detail about self-help group. As well, I want to thank Lalit Laklia ji, IT media team, who has helped us to bring commerce on live on Facebook Live. So thank you for your technical support and everything. And also we want to thank the national team and state team, PMJKYPPA, who has supported us. So thank you. See you again next week, 6 p.m. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.